Imagine a smarter future, where innovation and possibility converge. This is the dawn of a more connected world. From inefficient logistics to challenges in disaster response and environmental monitoring, modern-day obstacles require innovative solutions. It's time to redefine what's possible. We are pleased to introduce the Drone&Robot Station, an advanced mobile platform designed to deliver optimal solutions in dynamic environments. From smooth vehicle navigation to synchronized drone and robot operations, every movement is crafted for efficiency and precision. The station houses the heart of innovation, comprising cutting-edge equipment and technology, ready to adapt to the demands of any mission. Intuitive interfaces and seamless integration ensure efficient management. All operations can be controlled at your fingertips. A system is available for stable automatic operation. The control system provides real-time visibility into the status of vehicles, drones, and robots, enabling precise monitoring of delivery and surveillance missions. The Drone&Robot Station is designed to meet the needs of diverse scenarios, whether that means delivering life-saving medical supplies, transporting specialized cargo, or conducting remote monitoring. Proven across industries and trusted by leading partners, our technology is shaping the future. Together, we can transform challenges into opportunities and build a smarter, more sustainable world. Blazing routes, shaping tomorrow. RUTAS.